Welcome back to another video. My name is Regina. If you're new here, karibu sana. So I'm in my bathroom and I want to redo this mirror. I want to create that mirror zenye zinakuanga na shelf huku nyuma. So I'm not going to throw away the mirror, just try to work around it because najua part zingine hazitatoka, especially the mbao that is connected to the mirror. Najua inaweza kata kutoka, but anyway, that's the idea. The idea is to create hizi product zote si mingi ziende kwa shelf hapo nyuma. So yeah, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I'm going to use 2x1 tengeneza shelf. So first things, and this one, this is the magnetic catch ile yenye ukifinya hivi ya kufungua. So and some hinges. I think I have 2-inch hinges. So first I'm going to remove this part because hii ilikuwa nimeweka glue, that's why easy to cut. The other shelf sikuwa nimeweka because I knew at some point I may change my mind, so sikuwa nimeweka glue, so nilikuwa tu nimeweka hii. So I'm going to remove this one, not necessarily remove it, like reduce it to a point yenye haitakuwa space mingi kwa shelf, if that makes any sense. So that piece never came off, and I realized that the moment I'm still doing this, I'm scratching the mirror. I decided to just work around it. So here I'm trying to figure out the length that I want for the shelf to make sure it does not like come through utaiona itakuwa kubwa than the mirror. I need it to be smaller than the mirror. To attach the pieces together, kama kawaida, I'm going to use wood glue and some nails to do that. I've learned that when working with this type of hinge, you always have to create a depth. So to do that, I will use my chisel and hammer off camera to do that. But basically, just create like a small housing for them to fit both sides, like the cabinet side and the mirror side. So I've used my kawaida glue to stick this one and this one. As you can remember, hii ilikata kutoka. So we are working with these two. Shelf itakuwa hapa, itastick na hii. Then this one will act like the stopper. Yes, ndio isionekane. So let's connect the stopper, then we do the shelf. Throughout the video, you realize I keep saying shelf instead of box shelf. The actual name for it is a box shelf because it's just like a box but like a shelf, you know. I know so many people don't do this, but when I'm trying to work on something, I like attaching all the pieces together before I paint to make sure I can see what I'm working with, and also if I need to rectify anything, I can do that before painting. So all along I'm just fixing the pieces together so that when I'm satisfied with the measurement, I'm satisfied with the way it is, I can decide now to go back and remove it and paint it now for the final finish. I went in with wood filler to patch all the holes and the spaces that I could see, just to make sure I get a smooth finish. And also because, as you can tell, I had made a lot of holes that they were not supposed to be there, but we're going to fix that using wood filler. Nimetoa shelf tena, so what I realized after nimeinstall is that the compound thing that I'm trying to run away from, the one that nimekata kutoka the center, nikifunga shelf haiendi all the way through. So that cookies that I had at the shelf huku chini nimezitoa so that I can just do one complete shell, then I just cut up a small piece that itaingia the nini that I want, that amount that I want, so that I can still use this one as a shell instead of having the two pieces that I had earlier on. So now I want to do an extra one shell pop-up, then we can call it a project that should be over. Nikimaliza, then I give out the final installation. So yeah. Finally, I have my own medicine cabinet, which I'm going to put my skin products that I don't have. But if you have enjoyed watching this video up to this far, thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like this video, share and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.